Hello students, we are going to discuss production of electric current due to translatory motion of charge particle. Okay, suppose through any cross section given in space, we have a number of charge particles that is crossing through this cross section. Now if number of charge particle crossing through this cross section in time t, and each charge particle carrying an amount equal to q, then total charge flowing through this cross section is n into q. So we can say n into q amount of charge crossing a cross section in time t. So as per definition of current, I can be written as total amount of charge crossing through a cross section divided by total time taken for this process. Okay, so very fundamental concept is there. It is according to the definition of the rate of charge flowing through a cross section, that is current. Okay, thank you students.